Inject Solutions is a reputed inject solutions machines manufacturing company based in Surat, Gujarat. Active Inject Solutions keeps a vision of serving its clients with high quality and superior technology, having a remarkable reputation in inject and digital textile printing industry. Active Inject Solutions has made its mark in the field of information and technology since 1986, and the company is manufacturing inject screen exposing machines since 2011. The mission of Active Inject Solutions is to establish itself as a trustworthy brand. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, making every product a perfect deal for our customers. We are committed to our principle of offering after-sales service to all our customers to build everlasting trust in the market along with customer satisfaction. So far, Active Inject Solutions has had over 150 successful installations all over India. This is the product line of our company, among which rotary screen exposing machine is the foremost. Active's rotary screen exposing machine comes into different printing sizes and lengths. It is capable of printing up to 120 inches screen length with different repeat sizes of 640 mm, 820 mm, 910 mm, 1018 mm based on customer's requirement. This machine has a resolution capacity of up to 1440 dpi, that is dots per inch, and is capable of printing saris, blankets, double bed sheets, dress materials and other fabric materials in different sizes. Each and every part of the machine is manufactured in-house with a strong and capable team, having an understanding of keeping its quality quotient on priority. Active's brand new addition to its product line is the latest automatic rotary screen coating machine, capable of coating the rotary screen up to 120 inches length in one stroke with complete precision. It saves chemical cost and manpower cost, and with this machine, only one person can handle the entire department. It includes features such as coating speed for urgent and quick coating, and buzzers after the coating is finished to make the operator aware about the coating. Initially, the screen is applied between the cones of the machine with a chemical filled inside the machine. After that, the coating starts and the screen begins to get coated. It hardly takes 5 minutes to coat the screen completely. Once the screen is coated, the screen directly goes to the dryer for drying the chemical on the screen. Once the screen is ready for printing, Active's rotary screen engraving machine is ready to print the screen as per the customer's choice of design. Active's rotary inject machine has an inbuilt UV screen exposing lamp made in Germany to make the design permanent on the screen right after the design is printed on the screen. The screen is then washed to remove the ink, and it is cleaned completely, leaving just the design on it so that the design is ready to get printed on any material later on. The screen is kept into the heater for drying after washing and cleaning it. Now, after all the process, the final process is printing process, where the printed screen is kept on the mechanical rotary machine to print design on the cloth. Screen exposing machine plays a vital role in giving the much needed accuracy the customer needs while printing the design on the cloth. Active Inkjet Solutions is known for its accuracy in doing so. Next product line of Active Inkjet Solutions includes the flatbed screen exposing machine for making the design screen for flatbed printing process. Initially, the screen is coated manually with the chemical and kept for drying to make it ready for the printing process through Active's flatbed screen exposing machine. Same as Active's rotary screen exposing machine, Active's flatbed screen exposing machine is also capable of printing up to 120-inch by 120-inch screen, that is 3 meters, with up to 1440 dpi resolution, and is capable of printing saris, blankets, double bed sheets and dress materials and other fabric materials of any size. Now, after all the process, the final process is printing process, where the printed screen is kept on the mechanical flatbed machine to print design on the cloth. Screen exposing machine plays a vital role in giving the accuracy the customer needs while printing the design on the cloth. Active Inkjet Solutions is known for its accuracy in doing so. Next product line of Active Inkjet Solutions includes the flatbed screen exposing machine for making the design screen for PCB printing process, for making the customized designed PCBs for the PCB manufacturers. PCB screen printing for refrigerators, air conditioners and all electronic items are printed directly. It is a customized machine which prints directly through AutoCAD software, making it easier for the companies to print the PCBs without any difficulties. For further ease, we have also integrated a screen exposing unit to the machine so that it saves your time and space for exposing the screen manually. It makes the design permanent on the screen and the PCB is ready to print for the production.